Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a desktop shortcut of any application on your PC. At times you realize that there are some applications which if you want to run it directly without stress, their shortcut is not on your desktop. So this is how to do this. Then the first thing you're going to do, clear this. Then you have to run Windows R on your PC. Windows R. Then you have to type shell column, then apps folder. Okay, then click OK. Alright, with this you can see the list of all applications installed on your PC. Okay, and with this you can also identify an application that is spying on you on your PC. Okay, so anyone that doesn't have an icon, maybe you can be able to figure out what the app is doing on your PC. So now, to create a shortcut of any application, let's assume this application is not on my desktop or anyone like this help. You can just right click. Then let me show you. Now there is nothing like help here, so but let me do it now. Just right click on the calendar, create a shortcut. Windows can create a shortcut here. Do you want to create, please? Instead, yes. You can see. Do you understand? Now you can create a shortcut of any application. You can see CapCuts. You can create a shortcut. Create yes. Then you see is here now. Let's try character map. Okay. Just be looking at the desktop. See. Alright, so this is how to create a shortcut of any application on your PC. Alright, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Well on.